Alright, YouTube, what's up? It's me, Chad, and I just wanted to say that before I even begin the video, this video was sponsored by Bundaberg Kangaroo Piss, which is the best kangaroo piss you will ever drink. So just a shout out to my sponsor, Bundaberg Kangaroo Piss. Yeah, totally. Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys, also play some guitar for you guys. I wanted to show you guys I got a new Overdrive pedal added to my effects chain. I just bought this at Guitar Center the other day for about 50-60 bucks. So sounds really good. Anyways, I'll turn the amp on for you guys and play, but added with the chorus distortion and wah, it's gonna sound really good. So heavy throaty tone. So like I said, I'll play for you guys right now. So yeah, matey. Oh yeah, just as a little side note, I'm in A sharp standard tuning right now, so that's why my guitar sounds like this. So such a low tuning for a 6-string, but it works. So Alright, and just one more thing before I end the video. I changed my YouTube name and also my Discord username, so I changed it to Jommy Roo and Jommy the Pretty Haiti Kangy 6969, so I'll put all that in the description. So everything I need to put in the description, I'll put it down there. So yeah, peace out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. I hope you like the new guitar sound, because that's what I'll be using for my covers in the future. So, and all that, and so on and so forth. Alright, bye.